I will ID so that I can record the session.
Oh, yes, yes.
Sometimes I will miss the recordings, no?
Yeah. Actually, what happened that my previous company laptop I had to return, so some recordings were there in that also.
Yeah, that's what.
So, like I couldn't. I think one class we have not taken the recording. Anyway,
Yeah.
okay. So I'll give you the things. That's okay if you want. So, but I want to upload these things also.
Which one?
I want to upload this to the to that YouTube.
YouTube. Okay.
Anyway, so
Yeah.
we'll discuss,
Okay.
decide. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do. We were doing inheritance topic.
Yeah, correct.
Inheritance demo. Okay. We'll say animal class. Animal class name generate commands. Public static void. No. Public.
It's showing type is empty.
So now it will not be showing that. Okay. So this is what we have created, and this class is there. Are you able to see the things clearly?
Yes.
Muff legs. So camel case we are using, and then we are using this public animal. This is the default constructor because it's no argument. Constructor. Okay, this is the default constructor, and then if you want, we can give one one parameterized constructor as well. Done. So after this, we'll just leave this till this point, okay, and then we'll save this. Okay, now what we'll do that we'll create some animals, subtypes of animals. So we'll create another class called cat. Okay, and then we'll say generate commands, and then we'll say finish. Cat, we'll say cat extends animal. So extends is the keyword which tells that the
Inheritance.
inheritance, which tells that
Relationship.
the
Yeah.
relationship of inheritance is there. Okay,
Yeah.
and in this cat, we'll do a method called say. Cat. String speaks is equal to okay meow meow. Okay, and then we'll say public word speak. Okay, and then we'll say this out this dot speak. This dot speaks. Speak. We should use speak actually. Speaks. Okay, that's it. This is okay. Okay, and then similar way we can create some other classes, like for dog we can create. Okay, so if you create a for dog, so dog will extend not this, but it will extend animal generate commands finish. Okay, so this keyword is automatically coming, and then again we'll do speaks is equal to public word speaks this dot speaks. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, and then for this is enough. Okay, so now we'll
Yeah.
click on main class. Okay, which will be the driver class. Main, that's it, main, and it will generate comments, and then it should have main method also. Okay,
Yeah.
now if you see in this, animal is equal to new animal. Okay, new animal. If you do like this, okay,
Hmm.
so if you come here, animal dot, so animal has this number of legs is there for animal. Can you see
Sorry?
what are the methods that are available on that animal reference?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
so you can see that this has got number of legs equals get class has code notify to string wait. All these methods are there. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
okay.
Hmm.
So we are not able to access this speak method. Okay, so
Okay.
let me, because that method is not there in this animal class. Okay,
Correct. Correct.
now let me do one thing. Animal cat is equal to new cat, like that we do. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
then we say cat is equal to, or not cat, we'll just see that too, cat dot. So here also you see that speak method is not available.
Correct.
Correct. What is this method
Hmm.
here? Speak method.
Speak method.
Yeah, so that speak method is not available here. If you go to check what are the methods available in this drop down list, which is that coming from Eclipse, it doesn't show
Okay.
that speak method.
Correct.
Now let me do one more thing here. Cat1 is equal to new cat. Okay, and then
Hmm.
I'll do cat1 dot. See, the speak method is available here.
Yes, yes. Because we need to create the object for the cat class.
Okay, so
That's why it is coming, right?
why it's coming? Speak method is available here.
Hmm.
So why this is like that? The reason why it is like this, see, I'll tell you. The reason
Okay.
why it is like that is that animal class doesn't have speak method.
Speak method. Correct.
Animal class doesn't have a speak method.
Speak method.
Okay, but the cat class has that speak method.
Speak method.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then cat, if you do new cat, but saving it in the animal, see, cat is what this time
Variable name.
variable name of what type?
Animal type.
Animal type. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And in this at line number 19, cat1 is of type
Cat
cat
variable
class
name.
type. It's a cat class type.
Yeah.
Cat. The class name
Correct.
here is cat.
Correct.
The class name here is cat.
Cat.
Okay. Variable name is cat1.
Correct.
Okay. Cat1 is of type cat. Okay.
Yes.
So if the variable is of type, see, the methods which are visible depends on the type of class we have. The methods
Okay.
which are visible depends on the type of class.
Class.
Okay, the methods which are visible depends on the type of
Class.
okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yes. Yes.
So that's why, see, animal class doesn't have the speak method. So this cat variable, okay, this cat variable, if you see, it doesn't have a speak method.
No.
It doesn't have a speak method. Okay.
Yeah.
But if I change it to for this cat1 dot, this has
Yeah.
got
It
speak
will
method
come.
here.
Speak method. Correct.
Speak method is there. So what methods are available depends on the type of class
Class.
variable, class type the reference is of. what type
Yes,
of
yes,
reference the class is. Okay,
yeah.
so these things
Okay,
should be careful about. Okay,
okay, okay.
then let me do one more thing here. Okay, then let me do one more thing here. Okay, so humans are also animals, correct?
Sorry?
Human beings
Yes, yes.
are also animals.
Animals.
Okay,
Correct.
so let me do one thing here is equal to 4 if we do. Okay,
Hmm.
this value is 4. Okay, and then we'll do public void print number of legs. This is out. Number of legs the animal has are mm, this dot number of legs. Okay, so this
Okay.
can do. Okay, now
Yeah.
let me create one more class here, that is of human. Okay,
Okay.
humans. Okay, and then
Okay.
I'll do generate comments, and then in that I'll just same all the almost same. Okay,
Okay.
same name as this name. So humans also I'm giving that name. Oh, sorry. So let's humans have only 2 legs, correct?
Yeah, correct.
And then I'll do public humans. Okay, so but we have not given that extend relationship. Extends animal. Okay, but only by using this keyword we are telling that this is a this is the done.
Yeah.
This and then okay. So we got
Yes.
this thing out. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what we will do here, we'll save this thing out. So if I do this animal, okay,
Hmm.
humans is equal to new humans, okay, and then humans dot print number of legs, okay, and then I'll do humans 1 is equal to new humans okay,
Okay.
humans 1 dot print number of legs. because this method was there for animals also and for humans also. Print number of legs, and then here also the same method is there. So let's see now what happens here in this case. So,
Okay.
so in this program, what have you observed? The first thing that you got to know that what are the methods visible on a reference depends on the type of reference. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
When it is type of animal, you are not able to see the speak method.
Correct.
But when it is type of cat, this cat, because
Yeah,
cat class has got the speak method, so cat1 is now displaying speak method, and we can call the speak method
correct.
that cat1 variable,
Yes, yes.
cat1 reference. Correct?
Correct.
Fine. And now
Yeah.
let us see what is happening for the variable names. Okay.
Okay.
So we will run this as Java application. Okay. So see the number of legs of the animal are 4, and again it's coming the number of legs of the animal are 4 only. Why?
Okay. Because in the animal also we are giving 4 legs, no? Animal we have only 4 legs, not 2.
Number of legs is 4. Number of legs is 2.
In the animal class.
Animal class it's 4.
No, in the, yeah, correct. In the main method, again, go to main class. Main. So here we are writing
No, actually,
in the animal class we are calling the humans, right?
no, actually we have done one mistake. Number
Okay.
we have to say print.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the same name. No, it's not the same name. So we have to use the same name.
Okay.
Exact same name. Okay, then only overriding will happen.
Okay.
Okay, and let's do the run as. Okay, so now if you
Okay.
see, yes. So are you able to see the console?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so see, when you are calling in the case of method, what was happening?
Okay.
In the case of method, what methods are visible? What methods are visible? In the case of a method, what methods are visible depends on the type of reference.
Reference.
Okay, so here the reference was of animal.
Correct.
So the cat speak method was not visible. But here, when the reference was of type cat, then speak method was visible.
Visible.
You
Correct.
can use that, correct?
Yeah, correct.
But what happens when you are in the case of humans? Okay, when,
Okay.
even though it is of type animals, okay, even though it is
Okay.
of type animal,
Animal.
okay, even then, so even though it is of type animal, you know, the variable, the number of legs of the humans class, when you do humans.print number of legs, it is printing 2 only.
But how come?
So that's why, like, see, when you are using variables, so the child class variable will be hiding the parent class variable.
Sorry, I didn't get. When we are.
See this, what is happening here? Animal. This is the reference of type animal, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So animal has got number of legs is equal to 4.
4.
Okay, but humans also have got number of legs, but that value is 2.
2. Correct.
Same name. This is the same name as this name.
Yeah, correct.
Number of legs. This is the
Correct.
same name as
Humans.
this name, correct?
Correct.
So this name in the humans class is hiding this animal class name. Okay, and that's why in the constructor, when you see In the constructor, when you see the number of legs of the humans class, then it is saying it's 2. The constructor, the name is shown as 2.
But how it is coming in the first also, because in the cat animal class we don't have a speak method, that's why it is not coming. But here also we are doing same thing, no? How come it will come
No.
2
See,
legs?
what 2 things here. Animal class also has got this variable. Animal class also has got number of legs. This is animal class.
Legs.
Animal class. This class
Okay,
is animal
correct.
class. This has
Correct.
got these variables.
Yeah, correct.
Same variable is there in humans also. And human is extending animal, number of legs. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but when we are calling animals, humans, new humans,
Okay.
and then we are printing the number of legs of the humans class, that's printing 2. Then second time when we are doing humans, new humans, and then humans once dot print number of legs, then also it is printing 2.
Okay.
Okay. So I mean to say that this humans class is hiding this number of legs variable. This humans class is hiding the number of legs variable. This
Okay.
class is hiding the number of legs variable. Now,
So here animals in number of legs will be hide, correct?
yeah, it will be hiding.
Okay.
If we do like this, animal, okay, animal is equal to new animal, okay, and then we'll do animal dot
print
number of legs.
That
Okay,
is
if we do like this, now this
so
will
it
print
will come 4.
correct.
Correct.
So let's say 1 2. We'll put 1 2 here. Save this.
Yes.
Save this. Run as Java application. So now it's printing 4.
Correct.
Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Now fine. We have understood the main thing here. Now one more thing here. This is of type cat.
Yeah.
This animal cat is of I meant to say this line number 18 line number, the cat variable is of type cat. The cat variable is of type cat. The cat variable is of type cat. Okay?
Yes.
The cat variable is of type cat. Now if you want to save this, cat is equal to new cat. Cat is equal to new cat. Animal cat, new cat. Okay, cat is equal to okay, so now cat is equal to, can we do like this? Cat1 dot cat is equal to cat1. See, this also is of type new cat. This also is of type cat only. I meant to say on the line number 18, if you see, okay, animal cat is equal to new cat and cat1 is equal to new cat. So both are of cat variable only. So can we do like this?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so we can. It's not showing any error. Okay. So we can do like this. Now also cat1 is equal to cat. See, can we do like this?
Cat1 equal to cat.
No, we can't do like that.
Yes, because we have cat1 result is there. So we can store the cat1 into cat, but we can't store the cat value in the cat1, correct?
Why?
Because in the cat we don't have anything. Actually in the cat1 only we have a speak method and the all method will come under cat1. Correct?
Okay, let me give you one example. Suppose one boy from Kerala is there. Okay. So if we say that, look, and suppose his name is Harish. Okay, but he's
Okay.
from Kerala and his name is Harish.
Okay.
So can we say that, okay, look, one Malayali guy is going? Can we say like that?
No.
Why? Why not?
Because name is different. The
No, but see, he is from Kerala. Okay,
Kerala. Huh.
okay, and all people from Kerala are known as Malayalis. Correct?
Correct. Correct.
Okay, so if one and his name is Harish. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
can we not say that? Okay, look, one Malayali guy is going. Just he's walking, something like that.
Hmm.
He's just
Okay.
he's passing in front of us. Then we can say, look, one Malayali guy is walking.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so you are agreeing with me that we can either call, look, Harish is walking, or we can also say that, look, one Malayali guy is walking. Both these things
Hmm.
are correct only. We'll be describing him only.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, you can think of this cat reference. Okay, we
Hmm.
can think of this cat reference as kind of generic reference.
Okay.
Okay, and this cat one is of saying that Harish.
Okay.
Okay, so suppose now you think in this term. Now there are let's say 2 3 other Malayali guys are also there. Suresh is also there. They're all from Kerala only. Okay.
Hmm.
Now if
Hmm.
I say that, look, one Malayali guy is going, I'll not be clear that whether it is Harish is going or Suresh is going or some other Malayali guy is going.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. But
Okay.
in that case, I need to tell, no, this is Harish only, this is Suresh only, or some whatever his name, that guy is going. Then only we'll be certain that, okay, which guy is going. Okay.
Yeah.
But
Hmm.
so what I mean to say that Harish is a Malayali guy, but it's not true that all Malayali guys are Harish only.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, we can say that yes, Harish is a Malayali guy. So cat is for animal reference. Cat is
Hmm.
for animal reference.
Animal
This is the
reference.
super class name.
Yeah.
So cat is a variable of type superclass, but
Yeah.
cat one is of type subclass.
Correct.
So cat one can be assigned to cat.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, but
Yeah.
reverse assignment will not happen.
Correct. Correct.
You are getting or
Yeah.
not? Okay,
Yes. Yes. I got it.
so just like so Malayali people. If I say Malayali people, all people from Kerala are Malayali people.
Correct.
Okay, but it's
Huh.
not that if I say Harish is a Malayali people, it will be correct. Okay, but it will
Hmm.
not be correct that all Malayali people are Harish only. There are other
Yeah.
Malayali people, correct?
Correct. Correct.
Correct. So this is
Yes.
subclass object is getting assigned to superclass. Okay,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
superclass object can't be assigned to subclass. Simple.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
but but see, but the thing is, we know that cat contains cat contains a cat object. Okay,
Correct. Huh.
okay, so we know that.
Okay.
Okay, so in that case, we can say, no. Let me tell you, since you don't know, let me tell you, we can do it. So if we are telling the computer that no, even though you are correct, okay, that
Hmm.
all Malayali people can't be Harish, okay, but
Hmm.
I know that this cat reference is containing Harish only, okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
I'm doing casting here. So after casting, you
Okay.
see that red line is gone.
Okay.
Okay, so if I remove this, compiler is putting that it's red line.
Correct.
Okay, cannot convert from animal to
Cat.
cannot convert from superclass to subclass.
Subclass.
Okay, but I'm saying no, sir. It is they are both containing cat objects only. So you can do the casting. If you should do the casting, then it will be correct only. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So literally, I'm saying that I am the engineer. I know what objects are there. You do what I'm saying. So
Hmm. Hmm.
if I do cat class casting here, then it will be easily be this cat object. So this cat object is of type animal, but I'm casting it to making it a cat object.
Yeah. Correct.
So that is what it's happening here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so by casting, we are getting rid of this error.
Okay.
Okay, so
Hmm.
just in simple terms, okay, in simple terms, subclass object reference can be assigned to
Super
superclass.
class.
Okay, but
Yeah.
superclass object cannot be assigned to
Subclass.
subclass class, and this may to do this we have to do
Casting.
thing. Done.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is the result that we should be aware of. Okay, so this
Okay.
we have learned a lot of things. Okay, and
Yeah.
let me tell you some more things. So this thing you are not aware, correct?
No.
Now, now what to do? I want to tell you about comparable and equals and hash code method, but I also want to tell you about protected and public and private methods. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, private word private animals private method. Animals private method. Done.
Yes.
This is done.
Yeah.
Then animals private method. This is the animals private method. Okay, and then we'll put similar method, or let's check it out here. Okay,
Okay.
so animal is this class is animal, and that instantiation type also is animal only. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
this animal reference, if you see, it has got I've saved that or not. What is that? Okay, so animal dot. Okay, so outside this, outside from outside the class, we are not able to access this private method.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we are not able to access the private method. Yes, you see here. You see here, this animal is not at all available here.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and now let me do one protected word. Animals protected method. This is the protected method. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now if you do animal dot, now see animals protected method is available here.
Yes, yes, correct.
In the list, it's showing that animals protected method is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what does it mean? A
So
protected method.
private means is yeah, protected means we can
So
get it from other.
if you see here, they are part of the same package.
Correct.
Okay, so protected is available in here also.
Main class here. Huh.
Okay, it's in the same package. Okay,
Correct.
but if I see, if I do one thing here, if I create one another package, com dot blue dot main, and save this and put this main into this.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, okay. So now if I do animal
It won't
dot,
come.
so see, another private method is coming. Now the protected method is coming.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hmm.
I mean to say protected is only available within the subclass hierarchy and the package of the same are in the classes of the same package.
Correct.
Outside that, protected is not available.
Yeah.
So just now earlier you were saying that when main was the in the same package, okay, it was showing that methods that the protected method, it was
Correct.
referable. Okay, we were able
Hmm.
to view that, we were able to call that on that reference. But when that main is outside that package, now we are not able to anymore able to call that method.
Hmm.
Okay, so this you must always keep in mind. And private can't be called from outside. Okay, so see here,
Okay.
this private method. Okay, this private method is there. This private method is there. So to call this private method, you have to have one method, public void calling private method this dot animals private method. So to call this private method, from outside, you need to give one public method. Okay, and
Okay.
inside the public method you can put a call to this method, but you can't directly call this private method. So see here, if you go to the mains class, okay, and then again what you do, that you do like this, and this calling private method is public method. See, green signal means it is a public method. It is a public method. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why it is showing that. Now if I want, I said that since main since main is outside the package, but now I'm telling main extends animal. Okay,
Okay.
saying main extends animal. So I told you that if main is extending animal, then this protected method will be having access to. Then the main will be having access to this protected method.
Okay.
Protected methods are part of the class hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy means what? Parent class, child class, grandchild class. All these classes within the same, which have that extended relationship, they are coming in the hierarchy.
Okay.
Okay, so and protected classes are accessible in the hierarchy. Protected methods are accessible in the hierarchy. Okay, so when I'm saying that, if you see here, animal dot, what are the methods available in this animal class? Calling private method is available.
Yeah.
And then, oh, we have not saved it, we have to save it. Calling private method equals Print number of legs. What is this method name? Animals protected method. Animal, okay. So outside the package, we are not able to access this protected method also. Protected method also is not there.
Correct. But how come calling private method is coming?
Because that is public method.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Because that is public method. Because that is public method. Save this. Why that is not coming? Why that is not coming? Why that is not coming? So these are all public methods which are coming here. Okay. But protected methods should be coming now. Accessibility of the protected methods in Java. Protected can be accessed only by the subclasses in other packages or any class within the package of the protected member class or any class within the package of the protected member class. The protected access modifier cannot be applied to class and interfaces methods. Fields can be declared to class and interfaces. Methods, fields can be declared protected. Other methods and fields in an interface cannot be declared protected. Methods and fields, okay. Okay, so any class within the package of the protected any class. Yes, so we should be able to access protected here. And why it is not coming? Animal dot protected should be coming here. Well, protected method. Okay. So animal dot not coming. Some problem is there. Anyway, can we rename this? Okay, and then here only one more. Class main generate commands, finish cover. Okay, and then null. Then what we'll do? Extends animal, extends animal, extends animal. Class main extends animal. Main extends animal. Now what we'll do here? We will sorry. Okay. Now see, animals protected method is now available here. Okay, but these are the part of the same package. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the part of the same package, and then it is having that number of legs also coming, but the private method is not here. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. So I wanted to tell you that see, whatever is the public method of that animal class or the object class, these are all having green. If you see on the left side, it is green color dot is there.
Yeah, that is public.
Okay, so these are public methods, and this is protected, so that's why this yellow color is coming, and this is a
Okay.
variable. Okay,
Okay.
this is a variable. If you go to the animal class, this is
Huh.
a variable.
Okay.
This is a variable, and its type is default.
Hmm.
Okay, so if you go here, then it's coming as, you know, triangle,
Hmm.
blue triangle. Okay, so
Okay.
all these are, you know, you can make out what are the different types of things which are available. Okay,
Okay.
my doubt here is, see, package can be accessed outside this outside this also. So why this outside this we are not able to access this? We should be able to access animal dot calling private method is there. All only public methods are available. So we can't be able to access. Given in the access protected only. If you leave this as default, then what will happen? Then also it's not coming.
Anshul, maybe we'll write some other classes for only private and public and protected tomorrow maybe.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll
We
do it.
need it.
Okay, we'll do it
Yeah,
tomorrow.
we'll do
Okay.
it in yeah. So otherwise mix up हो जाता है पूरा.
No, ठीक है. So anyway,
Okay.
till this point you understood now.
Yeah. That I got it.
So casting, inheritance, and all these things. Maybe some this public private protected I'll tell you, and then I'll tell you about equals, hash code, and then comparable, and then we will do some string related problem. So after that, you know, at least 60% of our syllabus will be covered, and then we can see what else is left. Okay. 70% of syllabus is now covered only. Just if you cover these 2-3 topics. Okay. Okay. So anyway,
Anushil, and from OOPS and collections total, are you preparing any documents or notes, anything?
collection, I'll give
Programs
you full demonstration of all the collection topics.
Okay. What about servlets and JSP? Do you have any materials?
Servlet and JSP, some demonstration I can give you. I can give you, like how to create classes, how to run the things, and all those things. I'll definitely give you a topic of that also. But that is part of
No, no,
advanced.
any materials and code and all. In
material.
future, if I can refer, no,
Oh,
that will be if I have any material notes, because we are not even getting any material, no, for this.
okay, okay. I'll try to prepare that material and pass it to you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. But
Okay,
more than
yeah.
that, if you practice in the at home and see how I'm doing things, then it will be more clear.
Hmm. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
fine.
Okay. Just share me this recording
Yeah,
once you
yeah,
upload it.
definitely, definitely.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Anshul.
Thank you, thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
And Anshul, these classes and also ping me in the